Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something health is not tracking workout map and locations. If you're using something S26 and you're facing the issue that your health app is not tracking your workout map and locations, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your health app. Once you are in health app, just click on these three dots in the top right, click on settings. Once you are in settings, just go to auto detect workouts and enable this toggle. Very first you have to enable auto detect workouts, and then you have to enable this map workout locations. Once you have enabled, it will recommend you to allow access to your location. Just please select while using the app. Once you have enabled, just go back. Now just scroll down, and here you have to look for any update feature. Here is about something else. Click on it, and here click on any update if available. If you say that the latest version is installed, so you have to go back. Now after enabling this auto detect workout and map workout locations, your issue will be fixed. Now your health app can easily detect or track your workout map and locations. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.